Sweet and blissful morning to my dear kids. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, welcome you back after a fabulous summer break. Hope all of you enjoyed your summer break. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Obviously, everyone enjoys holidays. Now, children, it's the time to get back to studies with the hope that all of you enjoyed your holidays at your best and now you will work hard for your upcoming exams. Let's get started with today's topic. Children, today I will be taking up a grammar topic with you. And what is that topic? I will tell you afterwards. But before, I will ask you a few questions through various slides. You will answer it, and side by side, you will come to know which topic we are going to do today. So let's get started. This is a dash park. Can anybody guess the answer? Yes, all the answers are correct. This is a huge park, fun park, grassy park, popular park, green park, wonderful park. Any of these can be the answers. Next, this is a dash sunflower. Yes, all the options are correct. Large sunflower, yellow sunflower, bright sunflower, all are correct. This is a dash butterfly. Small, light butterfly, beautiful, fragile, delicate. Any of these are correct. So anybody can guess the topic by now. I hope all of you must guess the topic. This is a dash friendship, wonderful friendship, great friendship, productive, awesome, all are correct. So 110% guess the topic. Yes, children. Today's topic is adjectives. Today I am going to explain you about adjectives and its kind. So what is an adjective? All of us know, we have done in previous class also. Adjective are the words which add more to the meaning of a noun. Which add, plus means add. So add means to plus. What it adds more to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Pronoun means it gives us more information about any kind of a noun or a pronoun. For example, I tell you, children, I have a pen. Now you come to know that ma'am has a pen. But if I provide you more information, if I say I have a new and red pen, so you come to know that ma'am is having a pen which she has bought a new one, and it is of red color. So which provides us more information about any noun or pronoun. Those words are known as adjectives. So here we go. Adjective, a word that describes a noun or a pronoun also. An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Like for example, 2 chocolates, yellow butterfly, big car, round table. If I say I have chocolates, you know that she has a chocolate. But if I say 2 chocolates, you come to know that she is having 2 chocolates. I saw a butterfly. Now you come to know that she has seen a butterfly. But if I say yellow butterfly, you come to know that it is a yellow butterfly. Big car, round table. So all these words, 2, yellow, big, round, all these are your nouns, because these all words are describing the nouns. So they are nouns? No, they are not nouns, they are adjectives. Nouns are chocolates, butterfly, car, and table. And these adjectives are also known as describing words. In second name for adjective is describing words. So the words 2, yellow, big, and round are adjectives, and they are describing the nouns chocolates, butterfly, car, and table. Now here you can see the big brown box was strong and solid. So how was the box? Big and brown, and it was also strong and solid. This shows that adjective can be before and after the noun also. It's not necessary that always adjective will be in front of noun. No, sometimes in some sentences they can come after the noun also. Now more examples. Everybody danced to the loud music. Loud here is your, what type of music? Loud. So loud here is an adjective. Raj swallowed a bitter pill. What kind of pill? Bitter pill. We offered some rice to the poor. Rice. What kind of rice? Some rice. I have many marbles. How many marbles? Many marbles. So, children, these are more examples of your adjectives. I hope all of you understood what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words which add or gives us more information about noun or pronoun. Now, children, further adjectives are of many kinds. We will study them one by one. Few of them are adjective of quality, quantity, interrogative, possessive, number, and demonstrative. So we will start knowing about them one by one. What is adjective of quality? First of all, adjective of quality, words that describe quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, I have a nice teddy. What kind of? It answers the question what kind of. What kind of teddy I'm having? It's a nice teddy. Or I have a red teddy, brown teddy, awesome teddy, cute teddy, old teddy. I have an old teddy. So any word which describes the teddy is your adjective quality, and it answers the question of what kind. Means if I say I have a nice teddy, what kind of teddy you have? What kind of? Nice teddy, brown teddy. So when the sentence is answering the question of what kind, it's your adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, words that are used to describe how a person looks, place, animal or a thing looks, sounds, feels, smells, or tastes. Now, second is your adjective of quantity. It tells us how much. It answers the question how much. I have money. How much money do you have? I have enough money. I have some money. I have little money. I have more money. So these all are your adjective of quantity. Means they are telling you how much a particular thing you are having. So it answers the question how much or how many. How many will be for countable and how much will be for uncountable, means which we measure, little, some, few, like this. Now next is the adjective of number. Here it gives you the exact number of things, how many. Like Shivani has apples. How many apples? 4 apples. Or Shivani has an apple. An apple means 1 apple. She has 10 apples, 8 apples. Rotten apples. No, rotten apple will be wrong because it is not telling you the number. Rotten apples of what kind? It will be adjective of quality. So remember this. If the only number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then only it will be under adjective of number. But like I told you, sweet apples, rotten apples, yellow apples, red apples, they all will come under adjective of quality. Of what kind of apples are those? Golden apples, red apples, rotten apples. Number only when there is a counting. This should be kept in your mind. And quantity means some, few, little, many, like this. Next is your demonstrative adjective. Words that point out a person, thing, or animal. For example, if I, this book is mine. Whose book is this? This. Which book is yours? This book, that book, these books, those books. So these are demonstrative. Only there are 4 demonstrative words. The word demonstrative itself means to show and tell. Means when we describe anything by showing and telling it. For example, we all watch ads on the TV. What are those? Those all are demonstrations of the different products. The companies show us the product and tell us about those products. So they are the demonstrative. So demonstrative word means to show and tell. Like I'm showing you, this book is mine, that book is mine, these books are mine, those books are mine. So these are the only 4 demonstrative words. I hope, children, this much is clear to all. Next, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative word means to ask question. Interrogative means question mark. Wherever you get the word interrogative any kind, it means question. It asks question. WH words are used with nouns to ask questions like who, what, whose, which and whom. Interrogative words examples are which book is yours? Which is your interrogative because it is asking a question here. I hope children this much is clear. Now further you can see possessive adjective. Possessive means to whom a thing belongs. The word possessive means belongingness. Joe has left his bat. Whose bat? His bat. Or my bat. Joe has left my bat. Whose bat? It answers the question whose. Whose bat? My bat. Whose bat? Our bat. Her bat. Their. So which answers the question whose. Their. Possessive means to whom a particular thing belongs. That is a possessive adjective. I hope children all these kinds of adjectives are clear to you. A quick recap. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which add more to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Further, adjectives are of few kinds. First is adjective of quality. Quality means which answers the question of what kind. I have a car. What kind of car? Red car. Then is a quantity. There is some sugar in the jar. How much sugar? How much? It answers the question how much or how many. How much sugar? A little sugar. There are few apples. How many apples? Few apples in the refrigerator. But if it comes to the counting, there are 2 apples in the refrigerator. Then it is your adjective of number. Then is your adjective of demonstrative adjective. Means to show and tell. This book is mine. This book. Which book? This book. Then is your possessive. Possessive tells us whose thing it is. For example, Joe left his bat. Whose bat? His bat. So these are your possessive adjectives. Now children, open your book. We will go through your book. First of all, write the date, day and classwork as usual. Adjectives. Heading is adjectives. Now let's get started. Read the paragraph and answer the question. This is your paragraph. Read the paragraph and answer the question. On a hot day, we drove down to the mountain for camping. We reached a beautiful river to put up our tent near the green trees. We cooked and ate some delicious soup. Suddenly we heard a loud noise. As we peeped out from a small tent, we saw 2 black bears walking towards the waterfall nearby. Feeling scared, we huddled together and went off to sleep. Now this is a small paragraph given to us and we will answer the questions given below. This is your homework. HW. You will do it. I have read the paragraph for you. Answers you will give it yourselves. Now adjectives are words that describe, identify or further define a noun or pronoun. Adjectives are of several types which I have discussed just now. Quickly we'll read it. First is a quality. The hot sun burst our skin. A huge car stopped outside my house. We sat in the open veranda and sipped what kind of tea? Hot tea from blue cups. The adjective in the bold describe the qualities the noun sun, car, veranda, tea and cups possess. These are adjectives of quality. Adjective of quality answers the question what kind in relation to the noun. They tell us about the shape, size, color or specific quality of a noun. Now children, we will do this exercise and the kind of adjective that is quality will be more clear to you. Prabha has dash voice. Answer will be melodious. These words are given in the help box. We will use only these words. Mangoes are sweet and ripe. The car stopped suddenly. It has a dash tire, flat tire. It was a dash and dash night, dark and moonless night. We could not see anything as we drove down the road. Akbar was a great king. He is remembered till today. My brother is very kind and caring. I met an old lady. My pillow is soft and fluffy. My father got it made for me. I hope adjective of quality is clear to you. Now we will read about adjective, quantity and number. As I earlier told you, quantity there is no specific amount, but in number it's mentioned 1, 2, 3, several, few, like this. Next. So there is some coffee in the jar, there is a little food in the fridge. Adjectives some and little describe the quantity of a noun, coffee and food. Adjective quantity tells us how much or something is there. They are used with the uncountable nouns. Yes, coffee we cannot count and food we cannot count. So they are basically used with uncountable. But sometimes it can be like this, some more words like some, much, many, enough and little. Now next is the adjective of number. There are several roses on the bush. 5 cats ran into the backyard. The second car in the row is mine. The adjective several, 5. Describe the number of the nouns roses and cats. The adjective second describe the position of a noun in the series, and they are used with countable nouns. Like roses we can count, cats we can count, car we can count. I hope children this much is clear. Now you will go through your book till here and try to do the further exercises related to quantity and number of adjectives. Tomorrow I will discuss further and explain you the other kinds of adjectives also. Till then, bye, have a great day. Any problem you can ask me in tomorrow's live class. God bless you all. Thank you.